Welcome to JH. Let's talk about the Zenchic bra, the magical garment that promises a wireless push-up experience so comfortable you'll forget you're even wearing it. It sounds like a dream, but let's be real, the only thing you'll be forgetting is where your money went. The brand boasts a sparkling 4.9-star rating based on over 300 reviews, yet when you actually look, only 3 reviews are visible. I suppose the other 323 reviews are just shy, or perhaps they've ascended to a higher plane of existence along with the bra's supposed quality. A quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a much grimmer reality, a depressing 1.8-star rating. Customers are reporting flimsy fabric, zero support, and sizing that seems to be based on a random number generator. It's less of a supportive garment and more of a stretchy disappointment. To make matters worse, if you actually want to return this masterpiece, you'll likely have to pay for the privilege. It's the gift that keeps on taking. To distract you from the bad vibes, the website uses high-pressure tactics like fake countdown timers and 72% off sales that suspiciously never end. It's the kind of urgency usually reserved for a sinking ship. They also throw around buzzwords like posture correction and zero bra feeling, which is fancy marketing speak for we have absolutely no scientific data to back this up. It's bold to promise a medical miracle from a piece of polyester. The red flags continue with their product photos, which are shamelessly recycled from various other websites. It's basically the catfishing of the lingerie world. If you run into trouble, don't expect a quick fix. Their customer support consists of a single email address and a response time that makes carrier pigeons look high-speed. In today's world, an email-only support system is basically a polite way of saying, please leave us alone. When you add up the fake reviews, the drop-shipped quality, the stolen photos, and the non-existent support, the Zenchic bra is clearly not worth the risk. Do yourself a favor and steer clear of this trap to avoid the inevitable heartbreak. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this dose of honesty, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews that actually tell it like it is.